How many times during the pandemic did you sit at your kitchen table staring at one of those at-home test strips thinking, is that a line or just my eyes playing tricks? Or maybe you waited days for a PCR result, stuck at home, hoping for answers. Now imagine a test that gives you a clear result in under 2 minutes. That's exactly what researchers are building, using something hidden inside your television, liquid crystals. At-home antigen tests are cheap and convenient, but they're not very sensitive. PCR tests are accurate, but require lab equipment and days for results. The pandemic showed us that speed and accuracy are both critical. So scientists asked, can we combine both? You see liquid crystals every day, in your phone screen, laptop, and TV. They're rod-shaped molecules that naturally line up in the same direction. In LCD screens, electricity makes them rotate, blocking or letting light pass through. But researchers found that viruses can trigger this shift too. The test surface is coated with a metallic layer that binds specifically to coronavirus spike proteins. When spike proteins touch that surface, they disrupt nearby liquid crystals. This tiny shift cascades outward, flipping millions of molecules. The result is a visible change you can see with your own eyes. The virus leaves a fingerprint, and the molecules amplify it into something obvious. This test can detect as few as 2,000 spike proteins per milliliter. An infected person's saliva contains 10,000 to 100 million viral particles. That means this test could catch an infection days earlier than today's antigen kits, even if you feel fine, and it takes less than 2 minutes. But this technology doesn't stop with COVID. The same system can detect other viruses, pesticides on crops, chemical leaks, even nerve agents. With climate change fueling more disasters, having a fast universal biosensor could transform how communities respond to health risks. This breakthrough comes from the University of Arkansas, published in Advanced Materials Technologies. Their goal? Airborne sensors that detect threats before they enter our bodies. From the molecules in your TV to the future of public health, liquid crystals may soon save lives. The future of detection? It's crystal clear.